Have you ever wanted to generate a chart in Excel by just pressing one button? Well, you can. It's F11. The first step in this process is to ensure that your marquee is inside of your data range. In this case, I have placed a marquee in cell A4. Now, you can press F11. Once you press the button F11, Excel will generate a default chart into a separate worksheet. Have you ever wanted to insert a chart into the same worksheet? Well, it's easy. Just make sure that your marquee once again is in the data range. Then you will press the key combination Alt+F1. Upon pressing Alt+F1, Excel will insert a chart into the same worksheet. You can then minimize your worksheet, select your chart, and move it around as an object. F11 and Alt+F1, two very useful shortcuts that will help you minimize your time and maximize your productivity. Remember, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.